I'm out testing this RN 3000 Magicshine. We've got an Allty 1000 on the top. Now I chose twisted gum because it's quite a technical trail, and you're often looking to the side of the trail for lines, you know, just up ahead. It's quite tight. So this will expose any weakness with the lights. I've ridden this with the Titan 4000, not the Titan, the Titan 4000, and the Magicshine Montier 6500. So having a headlight and a 3000 on the bar may be the go, but there may be weaknesses. Been a lot of work done on this trail recently as well, so I've had a really nice freshen up, which is cool. So shout out to Mello for doing that. Whoa, coming in hot. Oh, she has it. Little gap there, pump out of there, another little gap. On the pace, watch your head on that tree, especially with a headlight. Reasonable vision up forward, that's good. And then, yeah, killer, turning in. I can see exactly where I want to be. This is new, it's got a little bit of a rock drop in the middle, so be careful, because the landing will spit you offline. Triple. Woo! Oh, I cut in a little early on that corner, so I had to kind of straight line it a bit. Oh, not paying attention there. I've stiffened the back end up a little bit as well on this bike, so the handling is a little different out of corners. It's a little more feedback underfoot. I'm getting pushed a little more. Yeah, I love this vision. Can definitely see where I'm going, see what's next. Seeing the detail on the ground, which is good. And we'll go the whole hog. Oh, terrible line into that. This has changed, so it's a bit more rideable now, straight up and over. This corner down here's improved, this right-hander. Bit of a catch at the bottom now, so it's not quite so scary. High line, now low all the way out these days until this high line on that bit. We've got the noodle to the left there. Important to be looking up, especially in the dark. You must be able to see what's next. Woohoo! This will be on Strava too, this run, so you get an idea of what kind of pace I'm doing it at night. A little bit of a catch at the bottom of that now as well. That's cool. Double there, but if you double it, you almost square off and have to brake in the catch. That's been improved, that little lefty. This stuff's more or less the same. And then it's changed here again. So we're going low, to wide and then in again, just to slow us down onto this fire road. Whew. Oh, these lights are killer. So I don't know if I can really pick anything. Maybe go a 1200 on the roof, on the lid. The 1000's killer. But if you want to go faster than what I just went, these lights are definitely capable, but you can go brighter. The thing I love here is I'm not running any external battery, not running any cables, no nothing. This mount stayed solid. That's the one thing I was a little worried about with this 3000, because it's quite heavy, and it's just a Garmin mount basically. And yeah, once I nipped it up, didn't move at all, so that's impressive. And the lid light is killer, gives me everything I need. Looking around, have a look at it. I'm authorized, we're good. Sales twisted gum, the Magicshine RN3000, wicked light up the front, killer for commuting and killer for trail riding, obviously, that was mint. And the Allty 1000 on the lid, which is, to be honest, I've been loving. I've had this Allty for over a month now, easily, probably 6 weeks, and I am absolutely loving it. It's so good. It's so commuter light, obviously. The Garmin mount is what I love the most about it. You just clip it on and get out of there. It's light, it's easy, it lasts a long time. It's killer. I can put it on my full face and I can put it on my bar. So shout out Magicshine. These lights are killer. So far so good.